Hi and welcome. Today we're making Brik pastry. It's very easy to make. We need 100 grams of flour, all-purpose flour, 2 ml water, a tablespoon of oil, and then a teaspoon of salt, and then a tablespoon of cornstarch. We're just gonna put them in a magic bullet, or you could put them in a blender, or you're just gonna mix them together. You can even do it by hand if you want to. Make sure you sift the flour. So we're just gonna put everything in there. That's the tablespoon of cornstarch. This is very easy and to make at home, and it tastes very good. If you wanted to make a brik instead of using the egg roll spring, those are good, but this is better. I feel like you're eating the right brik. So we're just gonna mix them like that a couple of times. And this is how it's gonna look. It's not too smooth, it's not too runny and not too thick. It's like a crepe batter like that. That's how it looks. Now you gotta take a pot or something, fill up with water, and then you put it on top of it, non-stick pan on it. The one I have, it's a little large, so you can use a smaller one if you want to make them a little small, or you can make them the size the one I did. You're just gonna brush them with that brush. Just keep brushing to make a circle. And then after you make the circle, make sure if you see like a little spot that doesn't have it's empty or anything, just put some in it. So just make the circle first. Gotta work a little quicker because it dries. The brush, the one I have, is a little thick. If you have the thinner one, it would work better. But this works too, the same thing. See, I have some in the middle. Make sure it's like that. Cover it so it doesn't rip later on when you put the ingredient for the brik. Make sure everything covered and just let it cook. That's the only process a little hard. It takes time. It's not hard, it just takes time for it to wait. You need to wait for it to cook, but it's worth it. It's really worth it. So you're just gonna wait, and you can help it by like a knife or like spatula or something like that. Like that. You just peel it a little bit just to help it. To know if this is cooked or it's ready, it gets dry on the edges. That's when it's ready. But otherwise you can tell it's still wet. I'm just helping it get it loose a little bit. So probably each one will take about 3 minutes or 4 minutes. Depends on your stove. I have electric stove, so if you have gas, maybe it will be faster. Now it's ready. Make sure it's very hot, the steam. You gotta be careful with the steam when you pull it, and pull it very gently and careful. See, the steam is very hot. So now we're gonna put it on the plate. Make sure you clean whatever left over. Now over here we're gonna make another one. Just repeat the same process as you did in the beginning. You just make a circle, the shape of the circle first, and then you fill up the empty spots. That's it. You just keep going like that until you finish you don't have no more batter. Sorry about the video, it's gonna be a little long because I want you to see exactly how to do it and how to see it, the whole process. I don't want to speed it up and then you miss a couple of spots. You just put on a plate, cover it, put a little bit of oil on it so it don't dry. A little bit, tiny, on your hand, and cover it. Make sure it keeps covered. They stay nice and soft. Like I said, be careful from the steam. It's very hot. See, it's very hot. I couldn't even hold it. So the one that the amount gave me four because, like I said, I have a large uh, non-stick pan, so it gave me four. That's a good size. It's good for like 4 people or 2 people. So I hope you like, and if you do, don't forget to give me a like and share and subscribe. And I hope you enjoy and you try it. And trust me, they taste delicious. They're very good. It's easy, but it's not easy at the same time. But it's worth it. Enjoy, and hopefully next video. Bye bye.